Every good story has a part where things look their worst right before they get better, where the reader almost gives up on the character right before everything changes. If your life feels like that chapter right now, I need you to know something. Allah isn't writing your ending yet. He's preparing the best part of your story, and it's coming. Think about every story that's ever moved. The character never gets to the triumphant ending without first walking through the chapter that nearly broke them. That's not bad writing. That's how meaningful stories work. Allah says in the Quran, perhaps Allah will bring about, after that, a different matter. If you're in a hard chapter right now, it doesn't mean your story is falling apart. It might mean you're standing exactly where every great turning point begins, right before something entirely different arrives. The parts of your story that will matter most later aren't the ones written quickly. They're the ones Allah takes His time preparing the slow seasons, the waiting, the parts that feel uneventful while you're living through them. A rush chapter rarely holds weight. The best part of your story is being written carefully, which is exactly why it hasn't arrived yet. Not because it's been forgotten, but because it's being done right. One of the hardest parts of being in the middle of your own story is that you can't flip forward to see how it turns out. You're forced to sit in uncertainty, not knowing what's coming next. Trusting an author you can't see working page by page. But not being able to read ahead doesn't mean nothing good is written there. It just means you have to trust the one holding the pen more than you trust your own guesses about how it ends. You don't move to the next chapter by skipping the one you're in. Keep showing up fully for where you are right now, praying through it, staying patient through it, trusting through it, because that's exactly how you arrive at the part of the story that was always coming. The best chapters are earned by the ones who didn't walk out in the middle. Allah isn't finished with your story. The best part is still being written. Comment. Still writing if you're choosing to trust the chapter you're in right now. And if someone you know needs this reminder today, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.